We can chill, we can smoke. Me and you, all alone.
Hey guys, it's Tia Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 4 of 12 Days of Press Ons. So today is going to be a super duper easy set, and I'm saying that because this is actually a tutorial. I think most of the sets that I do are kind of like in the format of a watch me work kind of thing, but this one is kind of a tutorial because although you're watching me work, it's actually super easy to follow along with if you want to recreate this style for yourself. I know a lot of the girlies are really into doing their own nails, or they even make press-ons themselves, and I think this is a very easy one that you probably could do from home. And I'm going to show you how I got this look. So I'm going to start off by first making all of my nails black, and I'm just doing a very thin, simple layer of black because I'm going to put chrome directly on top of it. I've struggled a bit to understand and master the whole chrome thing, but I think it's best to try to get the chrome like nearly totally dry, in that like you still have a bit of a tacky layer but not too much, so you may have to dry it a few times before they get that. But I know if it's not dry enough, it'll look more shimmery than it will reflective, and I feel like that's the biggest thing that I've encountered since trying chrome. But for this, it doesn't matter all too much because I'm going to put polish directly on top of it. I will say, after I completed this set, it might make even more sense to just do a red chrome if you have it. I have red chrome, and whenever I finished this, I did kind of do a double take and was like, maybe I could have just used the red chrome altogether and not done so many steps, but I was following a different tutorial, so I think that I just did what I saw, and honestly, I'm okay with the results. I just wonder if it would have been easier to just do the red chrome. But anyway, I'm just making sure I'm using my makeup applicator. I got a pack of these off Amazon. They come in like bulk, so like you can get 100 of them for like $5, maybe even less. So I'll link that down below, and I'll have access to my Amazon storefront. Literally everything that I love for nails is linked in that Amazon storefront. Nothing in there is stuff that I wouldn't use or wouldn't buy again, so definitely not putting you all onto anything that I don't like. So yeah, click that link down below in the description if you would like to check out all of my nail finds. I will say my camera setup was not the greatest today because I kept getting out of the frame on like the very important parts. So try to ignore that, and I feel like hopefully you guys get the gist of the video despite me not being in the camera all the time. But I'm going to go in with a jelly red polish, and this is where I was kind of thinking like maybe just a red chrome to begin with would have been kind of the same effect because, I mean, it gives the same vibe, honestly, but whatever, we're going to roll with it. So using my red jelly polish, I'm just going to do like I normally would, and I didn't show it on here, but I did do a second kind of thinner layer because I wanted it to be darker and a little bit more opaque, and I know it's a jelly polish, but I just wanted it to be a bit thicker. Also, I'm trying to be super careful not to get the polish on like the nail stands because this is a brand new set of nail stands and I want to keep them looking cute. So I'm trying not to get them all over the nail stands so I don't have to worry about cleaning them up later. So I'm just going to go in with a daughter tool and a really nice colored gold. This is a kind of shimmery gold, not so much the chunky glitter one, but more shimmery. And I'm going to make that traditional snowflake star shape that I've been doing in the past couple videos. Basically, I'm going to do that and then take a kind of smaller line brush and then just connect all the dots. But with this set, I went a step further and I actually took whatever dots that were there and kind of branched them off to the sides to make them look like an extra realistic snowflake. I will say it did get a little bit messy towards the end whenever I'm trying to kind of create this design because the glitter in the polish was kind of smearing and it wasn't as crisp as I would have liked it to be, but I think ultimately you get the idea and it's not too bad. I really enjoyed this set because of all the shimmery aspects to it. It's just very vibrant but shimmery and reflective, and I think it just has a very nice Christmas vibe. It kind of reminds me of like a really cute like wrapping paper or something like that. So really like how this turned out. So again, I'm going to show you guys on a different nail, doing the exact same thing, and I'm just making dots all over and then connecting them and then making my little branches off of the sides of the dots. And although this video is on the shorter side, I still want to see if you guys are checked in. So if you are, be sure to drop down a red heart down in the comment section. Last but not least, I go in with some champagne colored charms and just put them on the center of every one of the snowflakes. I feel like this kind of just brings it all together and adds just another level of shine and shimmer to the set. And again, when I see it all together, it actually looks really nice just because, again, it kind of looks like a really cool wrapping paper or just like a festive design that you would see around the holiday season. I do wish the charms were just a teeny bit smaller. I feel like that would have been a bit more flattering, but I'm not mad at it. I think, again, this turned out really nice. So I'm going to go in and put a top coat on as well. And this is what the final product looked like. So shimmery and so nice. The camera's just not doing it justice, but I think it is absolutely incredible. So if you guys like this set, be sure to like the video. And as long as you're there, you may as well go ahead and subscribe as well. And then check out some more videos that are going to be linked at the end, so be sure to check out my series as well, and I will see you guys in the next video for day 5. Bye.